you remember last week I was on the other side of the car, I was trying to scrape these off where they're faded to remove them or replace them, if you can still see them. Well, I got the rubber wheel in the post yesterday, and this morning I've been out here and I've done it. There's still a few little bits of glue that I need to get off, and you can just about see some, you can't probably see it, but it's very sunny today. There's some red bits that are still showing, so I'm going to get the cutting compound out. I've done it with a cloth, but you can still see it, but I'm going to get the cutting compound out using the machine and try and machine polish it out, which I think will work. But I'm pretty pleased with that. It took quite some time because I was doing it in a hand battery operated drill rather than a mains drill, just to keep the speed down and not get it too hot because I didn't want to burn the paint. But the other side needs doing, so I've got the kettle boiling at the moment, and I'm going to try the hot water way instead, see if that's any easier, any better. Right. Pour some boiling water over. I don't know how much to pour over. Let's try. It's certainly softened it because I can actually get an edge. Yep. Scared of burning my fingers. No, it's still breaking. Let's try pouring and you can get an edge started, but I think it just breaks all the time. It's sort of coming. Oh, it's actually working, you know. Ah, it was working. Let's try some more. Bit like doing wallpaper. Yeah, it is actually working. You can do it without breaking it. Yeah. Get some more on. Yeah, it is actually working. I'm really surprised. Didn't think it would. Oh, look at that. Just getting towards the end and it rips. Whoop, I'll drop the kettle. Yeah, it's actually worked. So I'm going to put it on time lapse and do some more. As you can probably see, it's caused me a little bit of a problem here. So I'm not going to film all of it. I'm going to go and get some more boiling water and then carry on, and we'll come back. We'll come back once it's finished. So I found a slightly better way of doing it. You get a bit started and then you gradually pour on the water as you pull. It just keeps coming. So it works quite well. It will eventually snap like it did on the front door, but keep moving back towards the beginning of it again. It seems to help. It's just like stripping wallpaper. We've got enough water here to get to the end of this run. That'll be good. Oh, it's breaking. Still got to get the glue off. Nearly there. That's it. Just got to get those back bits off, and then I'll probably use the rubber eraser to get the glue off. So it's all off. I'm just going over it with the auto glue stuff to try and get the glue off. It seems that the glue in the middle is coming off. It's just the dirty bit around the outside that's not. Probably as I'm running out of this. It's coming off. Going to try using this again. So it's getting it off, just a bit slow. Welcome back to Project 300 Pounder. I think this is day 6 now. Today I'm attacking the seats. As you saw yesterday, I did the stripes. I've still got to polish out this red that's still showing on here on this side. It's all right on the other side, just this side. Today, seats are quite grubby, so I'm going to use my, well, even more so on that side. Look at that. By the time I've finished, it will be sparkling. The armrests aren't too bad, but they do need a clean. I've got the back seats obviously not in the car. They're still in the garage, so I'll be cleaning these first, then I'll be going on to those. So this is my professional valeting machine. It's a Karsha Poozy. Can't remember which model it is. So that's the stuff mixed up. That's a powder, which is mixed up with boiling water, and then the hot tap. It is quite hot, the water, probably too hotter than it should be, but I always do it, never had a problem, so I will continue. So that gets poured into there, and then we have a upholstery tool on the end of there. And well, I don't need to show you how a valeting machine works, do I? But this is the one that I use. Oh, Karsha Poozy 100 this is. It's a good little bit of kit. Bought it second hand on eBay, cost me £120 I think it was. So here we go, let's give those seats a nice clean. Better already, doesn't it? I can put it on time lapse. The armrest as well, and now moving around to this side. This is the dirtier side. This will take a little bit longer, but again I'm going to put it on time lapse. Right, that's the inside cleaned. Looks a bit patchy at the moment where it's starting to dry, so most of it's still wet. So it's quite clean now. There's the water out of those seats. As you can see, it's very brown. Horrible. Now I've got to do the back seats. Right, time to attack the dent down here now. Just prise the liner out with a screwdriver, and now I'm going to try using my dent removal tool. See if I can pull it out. Hopefully. Pretty good. A little bit more. Then I just need to straighten it up. That'll probably do. Just need to flatten out the lip where it's come out with it. That'll do. Not perfect, but it'll do. Oh, didn't want to do that. Slipped on the wing instead then. That's better. That'll do. Bit of paint on it and it'll be fine. I think there's some tar. That's tar, I think. But I'll slap a little bit of paint over it and it'll be fine then. So that's it for today. Haven't done that much today. The seats are now drying off nicely in the sun and the breeze. They're getting there. Still a bit wet. The back seats, which are out in the back garden, are dry now. You always, when you get this residue from an overspray when you do the seats. So once all the seats are all dried tomorrow, I'll go over the entire interior of the car, clean the entire interior, and then we can get cracking on the outside, get the outside de-speckled of iron deposits. Got quite a lot on this car. Give it a good go over with that. Get some polish on it. Put the rear number plate on, because it's still got the old one on it. Can't put the seats back in yet because I've got to wait till the ECU comes, which I'm hoping will be tomorrow. So this is sort of not far away from being finished now, which is good. So it's taken a little bit longer than I anticipated, but I suppose the airbag kit didn't help. But it's all done for today anyway. That's all I'm doing for today. So it's time to upload yesterday's and today's videos now. So we'll probably be back again tomorrow. Thanks for watching again. Please subscribe, like, share, as everyone says, and see you tomorrow.